So we're now at that point in time where it's like, okay, uh, if NVIDIA literally steps in and like literally takes and corners this market and is not only just first, but is shows that it actually works and it's proven on the manufacturing, agriculture, as well as like other enterprise based work, this could get very, very interesting. Now, Jensen spoke towards that $1 trillion opportunity, which he kind of like, I think they kind of left in there for investors to kind of like give justification like, hey, we know that we're trading at this value right now, but kind of like, understand that these are market opportunities that we're growing into. And for all intents and purposes, I wish Jensen and Nvidia all the best. I think that honestly they stand a very good chance as it pertains to like literally cornering specific types of the market. And if they don't corner the market, but they'll have a very high heavy footprint inside that market. So I would just say like this is one of those ones over the next 2 years. This is definitely going to be one of the companies to watch for sure.